Welcome back to Trading with CJ and welcome back to the Stock Investing League. It's been about 7 weeks or so since we last had a look at the stocks that you guys have chosen and the league table, and boy has a lot happened in that time. We see a massive sell-off in many industries. We had the US presidential election, the UK went into lockdown, we had the vaccine news, earnings reports. Some stocks have sold off massively and some have gone on to hit all-time highs. It has all been going on. And this makes it very interesting in how this has affected our league table. Who's up there getting those juicy gains and who is in the running for relegation. Now, it is never too late to join this league. You just need to pick a stock that is not already in the league table. And believe me, there are a lot of amazing companies that are still not here yet. So let me know in the comments below your chosen stock. I will then go ahead and invest £200 of free money into that stock, and your name and that stock will join our league table. It really is that simple and it's completely free. So let's get into it. We have had 16 new people join since the previous video, which now takes us to 103 people with 87 different stocks in this league currently, and hopefully we can keep growing and growing this. So let's have a look at these 16 new additions, have a quick look here at what has joined our league. So I'm just going to quickly go through this here. You've got the name of the company, the person who chose that particular stock, and then the average price I have paid. We'll go on to have a look at the league table after this, where you'll see everybody's current positions. There's some big companies in here, some US ones, some UK ones, SPAC stocks, penny stocks, a whole range. We've got Walt Disney, they've made the cut. Berkshire Hathaway, they're in the league. Wouldn't be a stock league without Warren Buffett making an appearance. Some UK companies there, Ocado, Greggs, both like restaurant-y food companies. Lloyd's banking company. Then we've got Palantir. Everyone has probably heard of Palantir lately. They've been on quite a run. Pfizer, the vaccine company. So we'll see how they've performed as of late. Switchback Energy, which is a SPAC stock, merging with ChargePoint. Raytheon Technologies. Planet 13 as well, they're in it now because they've finally been added to 212, trading 212. Somebody picked them at the right time. So there we are, that's our 16 companies. You can see that all of them on the screen right now. So now let's have a look at our league table. It is still very, very early days. We've seen how volatile the market can be. Some of these that were near the top may now be near the bottom. Who knows? We're going to have a look at this league table. But like I said, this can all change. So next time you see this, may look completely different. But for now, here it is, your stock investing league table. Well, here we are. What a lot of changes we have seen here. In last place, bringing up the rear, position number 87 is Helion Holdings. Helion Holdings was in position number 71 before, which was last place before. That's what the brackets are right there. And it is currently down minus 66%. Massive losses at the moment on Helion. They have had a very rough time. Next up to that is minus 26%, and that is Zoom. Zoom have also had a bit of a rough time in the past few weeks, down minus 26%, and that is position 86. We move up a couple and we see Lordstown Motors, which did complete its merger, and it is down 24%, another EV company. We keep moving up and we see Alibaba, MasterCard, two companies that was in the plus last time we saw this. Alibaba was sitting at position 25, now it's at position 73. It's gone all the way down to near the bottom of the table at minus 6.92. We also see one of the biggest giants out there, Amazon, kind of near the bottom end here at position number 69 at minus 3.71. We finally start to see some gains at position number 61 with a new one, Ag Eagle, and that's at 1.82% in the plus. Moving up a bit more at position 56, we see Apple on gains of 4.68%. It hasn't done a lot as of late, but nevertheless it is still making those gains. Followed quite closely there by Shopify at 5.53%. We keep moving up the table and we finally hit our 10% gainers, and Dropbox kicks it off at position number 50, 10.27% gains. Chegg is still sitting up there at 11.71, however it has dropped all the way down from position number 10, as has First Majestic Silver. It was sitting quite high up, now it's at position number 46, still sitting on 12% gains. In at position number 41 we have Google, and that is sitting very nicely at 17.88%. One of the bigger companies here, still making us a fairly nice profit. And just a couple up at position number 39, we have Peloton. Peloton was second the last time we saw this table, and now it has percentage returns of 19%. These necessarily haven't done bad. There's a lot of other companies have done really, really well, and we're going to get closer and closer to that top and see lots more percentage gains. We finally go on to a 20+% company here. JD Wetherspoons, the big pub chain, currently sitting at 21.03%. Very nice returns. And now we're starting to get more and more juicy gains here. And our first company that has hit the 30+% on this table at position 26 is Match Group. Match Group there, really big gains considering it was pretty much at zero before, all the way up to 32%. And we start to increase these gains more and more rapidly. In at 21 is Tesla with 40+% gains right there. We still have 21 positions to go, and that's 40% returns already. In at 18 is my pick with Fiverr. I'm up 43.87 on that. That was sitting at number 5 down to number 18. We finally get into our 50+ gainers, and this is at position 14, Artel Africa. Amazing gains on Artel. It was about 6% before, and now it's 51%. They're currently in position 14. Then we move up to SSP Group in position 12, 60.92% returns. They was in a negative at the previous, all the way up to 60.92. And now we go to our top 10. Bringing in the 10th position is EasyJet with 62.99% returns. Amazing gains considering it was all the way down at position 48 beforehand. Number 9, Virgin Galactic with Space, 68%. Now we go to our 70+% companies. Bilibili, Roku, Lemonade, all bringing us 70+%. Position number 5, huge, amazing growth. Palantir, 74% gains, a new addition to the league. Now we go up to position 4, Hennessy Capital Acquisition. This has had amazing gains, 80% returns almost, and it was at -8% before. Absolute huge growth. Now we go into our top 3. All of these 3 are over 100% returns. Keeping its position from before, position 3, Plug Power, 101% returns. In at number 2 with 115% returns, getting knocked off that top spot is Neo. Neo had the most amount of investors on it with 115%. But in at position 1, pole position for this table update with 153% returns, Switchback Energy Acquisition, SBE. This is a SPAC stock merging to become ChargePoint. Lucid Finance and Investing in position number 1 with 153.59% returns. So there we are, that's our league table as it currently stands. And like I've already said, it is not too late to join. If you're not yet on the table, you haven't picked a stock, then let me know your chosen stock that's not already on the table down in the comments below. I'll then go ahead and invest into it, and your name and chosen stock will appear on the next league table update. It really is that simple. Well, who knows what the market will be doing by the next league table update. It is very interesting times, to say the least. Please remember to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. We don't want to miss out on any of these future league table updates. Stay tuned, and until next time,